Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to create an email account or a Gmail account. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and search for settings. So when you see your settings app, just tap on it like this. After tapping on it, wait for it to load. When it's load like this, just search for account. So let's scroll to see whether we are going to see account over here. So there's an account, so tap on the accounts. So when you tap on account, you're going to see your already created Gmails over here. So what you have to do is to tap on the add account section. So tap on it. So when you tap on account section, they are going to ask you, are you going to create a Geo account or Exchange account or Google account or personal IMAP account or personal POP3 account or Phoenix account or Snapchat account or X account. But what we are going to create is a Gmail account. So tap on the Google account. So tap on Google. So after that, they are going to ask you verify it's you. So you have to verify whether it's you. Google wants to know whether it's you or not. So what you have to do is to click on use PIN. So after that, then you type in your password, or you can use your fingerprint to verify that it's you. So type in your PIN over here. So after typing your PIN, then you click on enter. So as you can see, they said checking info. So let's wait for it to load, and it's going to finish right now. So guys, after typing in your PIN, they've seen that the account is yours or the mobile phone is yours. So what you have to do next is to tap on the create account section over here. So tap on create account. So when you tap on create account, what you are going to see is for myself and also to manage my business. So with this Gmail account that I'm going to create it for myself. I'm going to use it personally. You get me, not for business. So if you are using it for business, just tap on to manage my business. But if you are using it personally, you are using it for creating an account or creating other things online, then you have to choose for myself. So tap on myself. So after that, Google is going to ask you a name, which is your first name and your last name. And the last name is optional. You can choose to use it or not. But so we should type in my first name. So after typing in your first name and your last name, just tap on next. So when you type on next, they're going to ask you your basic information, which is enter your birthday and gender. So as you can see over here, I'm going to choose female, and with a month. Okay, so let me choose the month and the day, and also the year. So after typing in your birthday and your gender, type on next. So when you tap on next, you're going to see this, which is choose your Gmail address. So you have to pick one of the Gmail's address over here. If you are not interested in just one of the Gmails over there, then tap on create your own Gmail address. So as you can see, first one, it says techhubohinewa@gmail.com, and the other one is ohinewatechhub@gmail.com. So I'm going to choose the second one, which I really like, ohinewatechhub@gmail.com. So I'm going to use this one. So let's tap in next. So when you tap in next, they're going to ask you a password. So you have to put in a password, a strong password. And in my next video, I will teach you guys how to create a strong password on your own. We have a lot of AIs that create password for you, and you can also create it on your own. So if you want to create a password, I will be teaching you in my next video. So guys, what you have to do is to type in your password over here. So what you have to do is to type in your password. So let's type in our password. Oh, I made a mistake over here. So okay, why is it that when I tap on this? Okay. So after typing in your password, what you have to do is to, click on next. So now what you have to do right now is to click on next. So Google is going to verify your country over here. What you have to type in your number. So you don't have to type in your country code, you just type in your number. If you don't want to use your number to verify your account, you can click on skip section over here. But I want to use my phone number, so I'm going to type in my phone number over here. So after typing in your phone number, what you have to do next is for you to tap on the next section over here. So tap on next. So when you tap on next, it's going to load. So wait for it to load. So after typing on it, Google asks you to review your, account name, your Gmail account, and also your phone number. So as you can see, this is my phone number, this is my Gmail account, and my Gmail name. So after reviewing and checking and seeing that this is what you want, or this is how you want it to be, just tap on next. So after that, you have to read Google privacy and terms over here. So it's very plenty, it's a lot over here, so you have to get time to read everything to understand how the Gmails and Google works. So if you want more options, click on the more options to read more about it. So that's it. So tap on I agree. So when you agree with your privacy and terms, what you have to do is to tap on I agree. So when you tap on I agree, it's going to load over here. So let's wait as it. So as you can see, Google services, it's loading. So our Gmail account or our email account is going to be created right now. So as you can see, it have been created. So what you have to do is to go to your phone menu. So when you tap on section, just tap on original. I'm fine. So when you come on settings, search for account. When you tap on account over here, then you will see your Gmail created over here. So as you can see, this is my Gmail that I was trying to create. So this is what I've created. ohenewatechhub@gmail.com. So this is my Gmail account that I created. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. Thanks. Bye bye. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video to the end. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section, and I'm going to reply within some few seconds. Thanks very much for clicking on this video once again. See you in my next video. Bye bye. And also don't forget to share this video. As I repeat, peace. Bye bye.